Noting that India in general and the West Bengal in particular are at the crossroads and the people need to make a choice between the parties, Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi on Saturday alleged that BJP, CPIM and the Trinamool Congress are the faces of the same triangle. Singhvi was addressing a press conference in the city of Joy. He further said the choice is not only to do among the parties, rather it is between various forms of intolerance and bigotry. He also called CPIM the devil, the TMC the deep sea, and BJP and its prime ministerial candidate the deeper precipice.
India is at the crossroads and West Bengal is at the crossroads. They have a clear choice to make. And a choice is, first of all, between various different forms of intolerance, bigotry. And in that sense, although the anger at dissent, the intolerance is different, it is the same, three sides of the same triangle: BJP, the CPM or the left parties, and Trinamool. So the choice is between the devil, if you like to call it the devil, the CPM, the deep sea, the Trinamool Congress, and the even deeper precipice, which is BJP and Narendra Modi. Friends, as far as the BJP is concerned, you have seen enough trailers in the recent past. Picture abhi baki hai. Trailer is, take Giriraj Singh, a minister of the BJP in Bihar. He has asked everybody who disagrees with him or with Mr. Modi to go to Pakistan. Perhaps he would like to send Mr. Advani also to Pakistan, because Mr. Advani frequently dissents with Mr. Modi. Togadia wants a ghettoization of India. And Mr. Balian was on the stage with Mr. Modi within 1 week of the Muzaffarnagar riots, 1 week, where he is one of the principal accused, and now he is a proud ticket holder of the BJP. Mr. Ramdev, I don't know how and who calls him Baba, because this is not the antics of a Baba. Yoga has a physical and a spiritual dimension. The spiritual is more important than the physical. How can anybody call himself a yoga guru with this kind of a mindset? Using of gutter language, insulting Dalits, insulting women, all out of a deep-seated venom for Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I think people have forgotten that Baba Ramdev has spent all his energies for the last several weeks not on yoga but on Mr. Modi, on the BJP. This is a spirit of intolerance, a spirit of being unable to accommodate dissent, impossibility to accommodate a different point of view, dictatorial in approach. And friends, it's exactly the same spirit of a lack of accommodation to a different point of view which you find in both the TMC and the CPM. The great government you have in this state, the kind of words it uses for a constitutional authority like the Election Commission, because the Election Commission dares to use its constitutional powers and dares to agree to disagree with the TMC. Nobody can agree to disagree with the TMC. It is the same intolerance, there is no difference between Mr. Modi, BJP and this intolerance. When you see a cartoonist being harassed, Mahapatra chased and physically coerced into submission, the Trinamool model chit believes in making you people believe that such a massive fraud happened all over the state, and it happened without any support, connivance, collusion, without the ruling party and its leading lights.
This report is brought to you by NNIS.